Iterating over every two elements in a list. How do I make a for loop or a list comprehension so that every iteration gives me two elements? Output.
You need a pairwise, or grouped, implementation. Or, more generally, in Python 2, you should import a zip as a replacement for Python 3's built-in zip function. All credit to Martino for his answer to my question. I have found this to be very efficient as it only iterates once over the list and does not create any unnecessary lists in the process. And B, this should not be confused with the pairwise recipe in Python's own itertools documentation, which yields S, S0, S1, S1, S2, S2, S3, ... as pointed out by @laser in the comments. Little addition for those who would like to do type checking with MYPY on Python 3.
Well, you need tuple of two elements, so where data 0 column 2 means create subset collection of elements that index %2 equals 0. Zip x y creates a tuple collection from x and y collection same index elements.
A simple solution.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking